Okay, so what we have seen in the last lecture, so how to find trigonometric functions of the allied angles. We have seen some problems on it also. We'll continue that. So show that cos 24 degree plus cos 55 degree plus cos 125 degree plus cos 204 degree plus cos 300 degree is equal to 1/2 is equal to 1/2. Solution. Okay, so we'll do this one. Solution. So we'll take LHS. We'll take LHS. Take LHS. LHS is equal to. Now, see, this is 24. We don't know the actual value of cos 24, right? So you don't know the value of the cos 55 degree also, right? Now this cos 125 degree, we will split this one, right? Similarly, we will split this 204 degree, right? In terms of allied angle, and we will split also this 300 degree also, right? How we can do this one? So we will keep this cos 24 degree as it is now, cos 55 degree as it is now. We will split this one. So this is what then cos of, only we can do this one. This is what, this is 90 plus 45. Yes, 90 plus 55. Oh, this is 125. How we can do this one? So this should be, we get what, 55, something like this, right? So that means what, convert this 125 degree in terms of 55 degree. So how we can do this one? 180 minus 125 is what? So this is 5, 5, right? 55, right? So we write this as what? 180 minus 180 minus 55, 180 minus 55, right? So this is what, 90 plus 35, but 90 plus 35 is not useful for us, right? 90 plus 35 is not useful. So cos of, now here what, 25 degree, 24 degrees here. So we should get 24. So this is what, 180 plus 24, 180 plus 24, yes, it works, plus. Now this value we must get, like convert 300 degree such way that the value of the cos should be known. So this is what, cos of, right? So 300 is what then? 360 minus 60. Okay, so 360 degree minus 60 degree, right? It will be 300 degree. See, we want to value this half, right? So that means what, this cos 24 degree you don't know, it should get cancelled somewhere. Now, so this is equal to cos 24 degree plus cos 55 degree plus, now this is what, cos pi minus theta now, right? So cos pi minus theta, if you don't remember, just write this. This is what, cos pi cos theta, right? Just say only cos pi cos theta, right? And then what, minus is there, that means plus, but sin pi is 0, so no, don't read it, right? So cos pi is minus 1, so minus cos theta, so this is what, minus cos 55 degree, right? So similarly this is also, this is theta again, so what, here only the minus become plus now, or plus become minus only, so again the same now, this is what, minus cos 24 degree plus, this is period 360, this is cos minus 60, but cos minus 60 is same as cos 60, right? This is cos 60. So what here, cos 24 degree, they are the same now here. Now these two are same, right? These two are same, get cancelled, right? So don't click this. So don't cancel like this. So just say, write the same underline, right? So this is what then, 1/2. Cos 60 degree is 1/2, right? This get cancelled with this cancel with this, right? So this is 1/2. See, for within a minute you should solve this one, right? So you should know cos pi minus theta, cos pi plus theta, right? It is better to remember cos pi minus theta, cos pi theta, sin pi by 2 plus theta, sin pi by 2 minus theta, right? So for competitive exam, you need this. Okay, now next, show that third one. Show that sec 840 degree cot minus 945 degree plus sin 600 degree tan minus 690 degree is equal to 3 by 2. इस समय 3 by 2. Okay, so take the solution. So what we'll do, instead of starting LHS, right, we'll find the individual value of this one, right, and we'll put the individual value of this one, right. We must get what is your RHS? RHS is 3 by 2. We must get 3 by 2. Okay, so we'll individually find sec 84, right, sec 840 degree, sec 840 degree. Is 7 what? So instead of that, we'll find cos 84 degree, right, and we'll take the reciprocal. So we get what? So this is, we want this. Okay. So cos 84 degree. So this is what? So 840 degree what? 2 into 360 degree. So 840. This is 2, right? So this is what? 720, right? So this is 21. 120 degree plus 120 degree. So this is cos 120 degree. Cos 120 degree. Again, cos 120 degree is nothing but what? Cos pi minus, pi is 180, minus 60 degree. Right? This is minus cos 60 degree. Right? See, directly you can see cos pi is minus 1, cos minus cos 2, sin pi is 0, right? Orally you can do this one. So this is what? Minus 1/2. This is minus 1/2. So sec 840 degree. Therefore, sec 840 degree is equal to minus 2. Okay. So we'll write sec 840 degrees minus 2 now. Okay. Now we'll find cos. Is it cos? It should be cot, I think. This is cot. This is cot. Make a correction. So cot. So instead of cot, we will find tan. Right? Okay. So tan minus 945 degree is minus tan 945 degree. Right? How we can write this? So this is what? 360 degree. 360 degree. 945 degree. Then this will be 2. 720. 720. So this is what? 5. 2. And again here 2. Right? 225. So this is what then? Minus tan of 2 into 360 degree plus 225 degree. So this is what? Minus tan 225 degree. Right? Because tan 4 pi, this is tan 4 pi. Integral multiple of 2 pi now. So tan 25 degree. How we can find tan 45 degree again? 225 degree is 180 plus 45. Yes, so 180 plus 45. 180 degree plus 45 degree. Okay? So you know that tan pi is sin pi upon cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. So tan pi is 0. You can apply tan A plus B formula. So tan A, this will be 0. Tan B, 145. Right? So and upon what? 1 minus tan 80. This is what means what? Tan pi minus tan pi plus 45 is what? Tan 45 degree. Right? So this is minus tan 45 degree. This minus is as it is now. This is your original minus. Tan pi plus theta. Right? Tan pi plus theta is tan theta. Right? So tan 45 degree is what? 1, right? So 1. So therefore cot minus 945 degree, reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, now next sine 600 degree, sine 600 degree. So this is what sine, how we can write this is what sine 720. So I can write this as what, so 2 into 360 degree minus see, so 720 and 600, so 600 here, right? So this is 120 degree, right? We can write this is what 120 degree, right? Right, in terms of 2 pi. You should able to this one. So you may write what 360 degree, then this is what, then 360 degree if you want to write. So this is what 40, so 40 degree, right? You can also write this is what 360 degree plus 240 degree also. You may write this also, right? So it is depend on you. So now 4 pi is the period of this one. So this is what 4 pi is the period. This is what 2 pi, 4 pi is the period, and this is what minus sign. So this is what sign of minus 120 degree, minus 120 degree, right? So this is equal to what, minus sine 120 degree. How you can write 120 degree? You can write 60 degree plus 60 degree, or 180 degree, 90 degree plus 30 degree also, right? So this is what minus sine of 90 degree plus 30 degree. So this is what minus sine 90 plus theta is what, see, sine 90 cos 30, and there what cos 90 will be in the second term, cos 90 that will be 0. Then sine 90, this is what cos 30 degree, this is cos 30 degree, right? And cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. So sine 600 degree minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now we'll find tan of 690 degree. Tan of minus, okay, minus 690 degree. So this is minus tan of 690 degree. So it is close to 720 degree, right? So we may write this is what minus tan 2 into 360 degree. So this is what 720 degree, right? Minus 690. So this is 0. So 3. So 30 degree. Yeah? So minus 30 degree. Minus 30 degree. Right? So it will be what? 690 degree. Then direct value we get this what? Tan of this one minus tan of minus 30 degree. Because this is the in terms of 4 pi now. Right? So minus minus become plus. So this is what? Tan 30 degree. And tan 30 degree is what? Sin 30 upon cos 30. Right? Cos 30 is root 3. 1 by root 3. So this is 1 by root 3. So tan minus 690 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay. Now we put all the values. We'll write your expression. So therefore sec 840 degree cot minus 945 degree plus sin 600 degree tan minus 690 degree is equal to, we'll put the values of each now in bracket we write. So sec 84 degree is what? Minus 2. Cot minus 9 is what? Minus 1. Then here plus sin 600 degree is minus root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. So this will be 2. Right? This will be minus then. Root 3 get cancelled. So 1 by 2 now. So 2 minus 1 by root 2, so 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2, right? So we get this. Okay? So take care. Easily we can do this with the help of allied angles. You can find this one, right? So take the next problem. Show that cosec 90 minus theta sin 180 minus theta cot 360 degree minus theta upon sec 180 plus theta tan 90 plus theta 90 degree plus theta, this is degree, 90 degree plus theta sin minus theta is equal to 1. Okay, so we take LHS. Take LHS. Solution LHS is equal to. Okay, now in the rough work, what we'll do, we'll find cosec 90 minus theta, right? Cosec 90 minus theta, you have to find sin 90 minus theta, right? Sin 90 minus theta is what? Sin 90 cos theta, right? In the second term there is cos 90, that will be 0. So this is what then? This is cos theta, right? So sin 90 minus theta, and take the reciprocal. So if you take the reciprocal, what we get? Cosec 90 minus theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is what? Sec theta, right? So this will be what? Sec theta, right? We are assuming that we know this. Actually we should remember this: sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta, right? Directly you can put this one, right? So but if you don't remember this, right, you can do like this. Now here what? Sin 80 minus theta, right? Oral you can do. This is what? Sin 80. First term is your sin 80. So first term is 0 now. Then what here? Sin minus sin theta cos 180 degree. But cos 180 degree is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 become plus. So this is sin theta. So sin pi minus theta is sin theta. Right? So this is sin theta. Right? Then this is cot 360. This is what? Cot 360 degree. It is 2 pi. So this is cot minus theta. This is what? Cot minus theta. This is cot minus theta. Again this is what? Sec 80, right? Sec 180 plus theta. So what we'll do? We'll do this is what? Sec means cos, right? Cos of 180 degree plus theta, right? And then we'll take the reciprocal of this one. So sec cos 180 is minus 1 and cos theta. So that means what? In the second term is what? Minus sin 180 degree. But sin 180 degree is 0. Second term will be 0. Only first term is there, right? So cos 180 degree is minus 1. So minus cos theta. This is what? Minus cos theta, right? And now you have what? Sec 180 plus theta. You take the reciprocal of this one. Take the reciprocal of minus cos theta is minus sec theta, right? We'll write in bracket minus sec theta. Okay. Now tan 90 plus theta, right? But tan 90 plus theta, right? You cannot apply the formula for tan a plus b because tan 90 is not exist. So what we have to do? Sin 90 plus theta upon what? Cos 90 plus theta. Just say oral is the formula for this one. What is this? Sin 90 cos theta, right? Sin 90 cos theta, that means this is cos theta. Your first term is cos theta. Your second term is what? Sin theta cos 90. But cos 90 is 0. So there is no second term. Again here, this is cos 90 cos theta. So there is no first term because cos 90 is 0. Then second term here plus sin is there. The second term is what? Minus sin 90 Sin theta. Sin 90 is 1. So this is minus sin theta. Right? So this is what then? Minus cot theta. So you want the value of tan of 90 plus theta, right? That is minus cot theta. So minus cot theta. Right? Okay, then sin minus theta is minus sin theta. We write minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. Okay? Now see. So this is also minus cot theta. We write it. This is minus cot theta. So this get cancelled. This get cancelled. So cot get cancelled. Sin get cancelled. Right? This is minus. This there are 3 minus. So 1 minus. Right? So this is what 1 then. Right? So we are through. Okay.